Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, the let function. It lets you define names inside a formula like variables in programming. Cleaner formulas, faster recalcs, no repeated expressions. 4 real examples coming up. First up, the simplest let. We want to double Blastoise's total stat using a named variable. Type equals let, open paren, first the name, total, comma, then its value, E3, comma, then the calculation that uses the name, total times 2, close paren, hit enter. E3 is 630, so total becomes 630, and the calculation gives us 1,260. The pattern is always the same: name, value, then the final calculation. Last argument is always the result. Now let with 2 names. We want to add Blastoise's HP and attack with name variables for both. Type equals let, open paren, first pair HP, F3, second pair ATK, G3, then the calculation, HP plus ATK. Close paren, hit enter. F3 is 79, G3 is 103, so the result is 182. You can stack up to 126 name-value pairs in a single let, with the final argument always being the calculation that uses them. Now let with if inside. We define total once, then test it. Type equals let, open paren. Name total, value E3, comma. Then the calculation if, open paren, total greater than or equal 500, comma, quote, strong quote, comma, quote, regular quote, close paren, hit enter. Blastoise's total is 630, beats 500, if returns strong. The big win is total is computed once and reused. Last one, let inside LAMBDA, the power combo. We're going to build a reusable battle score function. Open formulas, click define name. Name it battle score, scope workbook so we can use it everywhere. In the refers to box, type equals LAMBDA, open paren, HP, comma, attack, comma, defense, comma. Then inside, let, open paren, score, comma, HP plus attack plus defense, comma, score, close paren. The let keeps the internal logic readable. Click OK. Now in our cell, type equals battle score, open paren, F4 for Pikachu's HP, comma, G4 for attack, comma, H4 for defense, close paren, hit enter. We get 130, a reusable function powered by let. So that's let, one function that lets you define names inside a formula and reuse them in the calculation. Cleaner code, faster recalcs, since each named expression is computed only once, and a great pair with if, LAMBDA, and any other function you can think of. Up to 126 name-value pairs per formula, and the last argument is always the calculation. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your let formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.